Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Namira Taneem. So today I'm going to be teaching all those BaatShaat players out there how to play Kahoot. BaatShaat Kahoot. Let's go. Before we head on to the video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Also, check out BaatShaat and subscribe to their channel as well if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time he goes live again. So like I said in the start of the video, I'm going to be teaching everyone who knows how to play BaatShaat and also who doesn't know how to play BaatShaat or haven't even heard of it, how to play it. So go over on to YouTube and search up BaatShaat. So the first thing you should see is the logo, and you should click on the logo and go into videos. So here you can see all the videos he has created, all these different kind of videos like the cricket videos with his friends and many other videos. So for this part to actually work, make sure you go onto the live video instead of any random video like I did. It would work better, and I used it as an example, so make sure you use the live video pin instead of any random videos pin. Now just go onto a different device and search up Kahoot. The first thing you should see is play Kahoot, enter game pin. Here is where you type in the game pin. The game pin that we saw before in this video is very important because that is what we need to use to enter in this. Basically enter the number, and then you can click enter and move on to the next part, which is where you can write your name. Choose any name you want to play with, and then basically enter and you are joined in the game. But make sure you do this on a separate device, so if you are watching the show on a TV, do it on your phone, a MacBook, or any other device. And basically that's it. But wait, don't go anywhere. There's still more to this video. Just to make it interesting, have you ever wondered how he does all this? Well, I'm about to show you right now. Don't forget to stay till the end of the video to see all of it. So basically this is where he shoots all his videos, he goes live and does everything else. So right now, as you see, he basically enters from a corner that isn't occupied with the mic. As you see, he has everything set up. On the crate is a monitor, and to control that monitor, you use a laptop. He has a bunch of other stuff too, like the lights he uses to make everything look better, and also the green screen you see at the back is basically used for changing the background. You just have to edit and choose the background look you want and basically keep it. So as you see, this is not all easy to do a live show. The background needs to be perfect, you have to have a studio to have everything you need in it. And all of this is done by Salman Khan, the host for BaatShaat Kahoot. Like I said, BaatShaat is a fun and entertaining show, and it's not only about playing games like Kahoot. There's a bunch of things happening on BaatShaat as well, like you can watch cricket shows with his friends, and you can also talk about some social stuff that are happening right now in the world. So if you're ever bored, just go on BaatShaat and play one of his games. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell. That is the main part. You get notified of every time he goes live, and then you get to be a part of his game, and it is all so fun. You can play BaatShaat Kahoot with your family, you can play it with your friends as well. You can also win prizes, different sort, and all of this other stuff. You can also chat with everyone using the live chat. You can text anything you want with a response and have fun talking to people as well as playing the game. And also, it is not only entertaining, you get to learn about different stuff that is happening in the world. You get to learn about many other things that you probably didn't know before. Not only does it allow you to play, it also allows you to learn many different things. So that was basically it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, please be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. And also let me know in the comment section which part of this video did you like best, the behind the scenes or the part where I teach you how to play Kahoot. Also, don't forget to share this video with your family and friends to let them know about BaatShaat, and also to let them know about my channel and about all the fun stuff that is going on. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!